Today's story is from Gujarat, where the city of Palitana in the Bhavnagar district has become the first city in the world to ban non-vegetarian food. This historic decision, influenced by religious and cultural sentiments, marks a significant moment in the city's history. Here's a full report. Let's get right into it. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Located in the Bhavnagar district of Gujarat, Palitana has officially declared the sale, consumption and butchering of animals for meat illegal and punishable by law. This decision comes as a city renowned for its rich cultural heritage and significant religious sites, response to the demands of devout population. The push for this ban was strongly supported by Jain monks, leading to a historic ruling that aligns with the city's spiritual ethos. Palitana is widely recognized as one of the most important pilgrimage sites for Jains, featuring over 800 temples in the Shatrunjaya Hills. The most prominent of these is the Adinath temple, declared to Lord Adinath, the first Tirthankara of Jainism. This temple, along with others, attract pilgrims from around the world, reinforcing Palitana's status as vital religious hub. Palitana's ban on non-vegetarian food is a part of broader trends seen across several cities in Gujarat. The initiative to regulate the sale and public and display of non-vegetarian food began in Rajkot and other cities in the state. Here, authorities issued orders to prohibit preparation and display of meat in public spaces, citing concerns over the public sensitivities and potential negative impact on children. The decision to implement this ban followed by the protest by more than 200 Jain monks who demanded the closure of around 250 butcher shops in the city. These protests highlighted the community's desire to maintain the sanctity of their holy city, where the presence of meat was seen as incompatible with their beliefs and practices. Following Rajkot's example, similar regulations were also implemented in other cities, including Vadodara, Junagadh, and Ahmedabad. Those who opposed the non-vegetarian food argued that display of meat in public hurt their sensitivities and sentiments. Gujarat's Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel also linked these regulations to effort to reduce traffic congestion, suggesting that visibility of non-vegetarian food in public spaces contributed to the problem. The impact of this ban is not just restricted to the Jain community. It reflects a broader cultural inclination towards a vegetarianism deeply rooted in Gujarat's traditions. The influence of Mahatma Gandhi, a native of Gujarat and a lifelong advocate of vegetarianism, is particularly noteworthy. Gandhi's commitment to a vegetarian diet was tied to the respect for his parents, devout of Vaishnavite beliefs. He prescribed strict vegetarianism. Even during his time in England, Gandhi upheld his vow to abstain from meat, a promise he made to his mother. This cultural backdrop has significantly shaped dietary practices in Gujarat. The state's population, predominantly Hindu, with Hindus making 88.5%, Jains about 1%, and Muslims and Christians constituting the remaining 10%. Vaishnavism, a major Hindu tradition that emphasizes vegetarianism, predominates in the region, influencing the dietary choices of many Gujaratis. The move to ban non-vegetarian food in Palitana therefore fits into a larger narrative of promoting vegetarianism in Gujarat. The state's cultural and religious landscape, shaped by figures like Mahatma Gandhi and dominant Hindu Vaishnav culture, plays a crucial role in these regulatory diets. Gujarat's emphasis on vegetarianism reflects a complex interplay of tradition, religious beliefs, and contemporary societal concerns. Despite the historic nature of this decision, it is not without controversy. Those opposing the decision argued that such bans infringe on individual dietary choices and may affect the livelihoods of those involved in meat industry. The balance between respecting the religious sentiments and maintaining individual freedoms remains a delicate issue. Nevertheless, Palitana's decision to ban non-vegetarian food underscores the city's commitment to preserving its religious and cultural identity. As the first city in the world to implement such ban, Palitana sets a precedent that may inspire similar initiatives elsewhere, particularly in regions with strong cultural and religious inclinations towards vegetarianism. Do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.